Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're on the incredible 2026 Cruisers 50 GLS. Notice we're standing aft here. We have triple 600 Mercury Verados, great swim platform here, good storage underneath. We also have double grills built in here, wet bar sink. We also have a push button shade that comes out of the hardtop to give you full shade back here in the cockpit. Moving forward, you'll notice you have great seating, two ottomans on either side of this table. You also have two fold down sides, which really opens this boat up a lot. Moving forward, you have wonderful storage underneath both of these lounge seats, port and starboard. Nice little area here. Drinks, cocktails, induction charging built in here on the countertop. Fridge, freezers, good storage here. Also, we have a pop-up TV if you want to enjoy some TV here in the cockpit area. Opening windows on port and starboard to get a little cross ventilation in here. You do have a nice settee to the port side. Moving up to the helm area, you'll notice the triple screens here. And obviously I've got this boat in skyhook, so it's holding our position here. But you do have radar, GPS chart plotter, and fish finder screens. Joystick control, VHF radio, everything at your touch here, as well as great seating at the helm. Let's go forward and take a look at the generous bow area. Moving to the bow area, you have a nice close-off door here, a sliding window that completely encloses the cockpit of the boat. Now come forward and take a look at one of my favorite spots on the boat. You have a push-button hydraulic table that comes up out of the floor if you're having lunch or dinner up front. Great seating, push-button anchor or windlass, stereo controls, and you also have a custom snap-on cover when not in use. In the master stateroom, you have a nice bifold door here to give you some privacy. Very large bed. You also have some great windows here to let a lot of natural light in. You also have a generous closet here for hanging lockers and storage shelves on either side. Stepping here, you also have another fridge and microwave right by the stairs. The aft stateroom fills in to make a very large bed. It's great for kids or a couple. You have a lot of room aft. Moving to the head compartment, you actually have a separate shower. Large window lets in a lot of natural light. It's a nice setup. Thanks for taking a look today. My name is Scott Douglas. If you'd like to see this incredible Cruisers 50 GLS in person, we can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thanks a lot.